Welcome to Lesson 4.1, the Visual Red Flags Checklist. In this lesson, we'll learn how to spot common visual clues that indicate an image may have been manipulated or digitally altered. In today's digital world, images are often used to persuade or mislead. By learning to recognize visual red flags, you can quickly assess whether an image is trustworthy. This lesson will guide you through key indicators that help identify fake or manipulated visuals. Let's start with shadows. In real photographs, shadows usually follow a consistent light source. If shadows look misplaced, unnatural, or point in different directions, it may be a sign that elements were added or edited into the image. Another important red flag is a warped or distorted background. When objects appear bent, stretched, or uneven near the edges, it often indicates poor editing. These distortions usually happen when parts of an image are copied, removed, or resized. Hands and fingers are difficult to edit realistically. Blurry, missing, or oddly shaped hands can suggest image manipulation. When fine details look unclear or inconsistent, it's a good idea to examine the image more closely. Lighting should be consistent across the entire image. If one object appears brighter or darker than the rest of the scene, it may not belong there. Differences in highlights and shadows often reveal that elements were digitally altered or inserted. Reflections can reveal hidden clues. Mirrors, windows, or shiny surfaces should reflect objects accurately. If reflections are missing, distorted, or inconsistent, they may expose digital manipulation. Trust, but verify. This phrase perfectly summarizes visual verification. An image may look real at first glance, but it's always important to double-check before trusting or sharing it. Verification helps prevent the spread of misleading visuals. This example demonstrates how multiple red flags can appear in a single image. Notice the inconsistencies in shadows, lighting, and reflections. When several visual issues appear together, the likelihood of manipulation increases. Here, we compare an image before and after manipulation. By examining what was changed, such as lighting, object placement, or background adjustments, you can see how subtle edits can significantly alter meaning. This comparison highlights why visual scrutiny is essential when evaluating images.